here doing another heat start on a carrier unit. Came up here, unit had power at the disconnect, but nothing was happening with the unit. You can hear the heat's running now. The control circuit transformer, which is right here, the little circuit breaker, the 5 amp circuit breaker, was tripped. Long story short, this contactor right here, which is for contact, is the contactor for compressor number 1. The contactors were welded shut, and I was getting a voltage through the contactor back through the control wiring. So once I disconnected the wires up top, and once I got the contacts unwelded, the 5 amp breaker stayed closed. But what ended up happening is the blower motor, right, the supply motor, which this is the contactor right here for the supply motor, wouldn't energize. Even though over here I had power, now I had control voltage power, right? R, I had control voltage power on R, and G was closed. G is for your fan, R is for your power. What I ended up finding was this 5 amp fuse right here on this circuit board was blown. Once I put that 5 amp fuse in, the indoor fan motor kicked on, but the heat still didn't come on. Came back over here, and what happened is somebody had the wires for W1 and W2 reversed. So even though I had forced on the heat stage 1 through the program in Danforce, it was trying to energize W2. Well, can't do that. So once I reversed the wires, stage 1 came on and the heat worked. So long story short, welded contactor, and just to let you know how Carrier does it, Carrier brings power in to this, I don't know why they do this, but compressor number 1 contactor. Then if you look behind it, all the yellow wires and those wires jump off of that power to feed the rest of the unit. So, you know, I had taken these wires off originally, but then I lost power to the whole unit. But anyways, that was this, one of today's jobs.